Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana. I'm a manager of TICAB company. Right now I'm in our production facility and today I would really like to show you our infrared asphalt heater MIRA-1. So let's start. The main advantage of this equipment, that MIRA-1, is easy to use. As you can see, this machine has a gas burner, two infrared heater models, and place for two gas bottles. Can you imagine that this machine, MIRA-1, can be transformed? Let's see. An interesting fact is that the MIRA-1 was the first to be manufactured in our production facility more than 10 years ago. This compact and powerful device is the best machine for small patch repairs. It's easy to move thanks to self-guiding heat-resistant wheels and comfortable handles. The budget technology is ideal for solving problems with potholes, cracks, and other surface flaws that require immediate repairs. This form allows you to use this equipment in any situations. So, we thank you for watching and look forward to your questions. Please do not hesitate to contact us. Bye bye.